Living in New Orleans means embracing the vibrant culture, rich history, and unique architecture that makes the Crescent City one of a kind. But it also means dealing with the realities of extreme weather, especially during hurricane season. For homeowners, one of the smartest investments to protect your property and ensure peace of mind is installing hurricane-resistant windows. These specially designed windows go beyond aesthetics. They're a crucial safeguard for your home and family. Enhanced protection against storm damage. The most obvious and important benefit of hurricane-resistant windows is their ability to withstand high winds and flying debris. These windows are constructed with impact-resistant glass, typically featuring 2 layers of glass bonded with a tough plastic interlayer such as polyvinyl butyryl, PVB, or ethylene vinyl acetate, EVA. In the event of impact, the glass may crack but won't shatter or blow out of the frame, maintaining the structural integrity of your home. This is a major advantage in a city like New Orleans, where hurricanes and tropical storms can generate wind speeds exceeding 100 miles per hour. When windows break during storms, it opens the door to wind pressure entering the home, which can lead to catastrophic roof and structural damage. Hurricane-resistant windows significantly reduce this risk. Year-round security and safety. Even outside of hurricane season, these windows offer added safety. Their impact-resistant design helps deter break-ins, as they are much harder to breach than standard glass. This offers families in New Orleans a dual benefit: hurricane protection and everyday home security. Additionally, the laminated glass helps prevent injuries from accidental breakage inside the home. If a window is hit with force, say, by a fallen object or a child's ball, it will crack without sending dangerous shards flying. Energy efficiency and cost savings. New Orleans homeowners are no strangers to high utility bills, especially during sweltering summer months. Hurricane-resistant windows offer excellent insulation, helping keep your indoor temperature consistent by reducing heat transfer. Many models include low emissivity, low E coatings and argon gas fills to further enhance energy performance. With better thermal efficiency, your HVAC system doesn't have to work as hard, which can lead to noticeable savings on your monthly energy bill. Over time, these savings can help offset the initial cost of the window installation. Noise reduction. New Orleans is a city full of life, jazz music, parades, celebrations, and sometimes, that energy can make its way into your home. Hurricane-resistant windows also function as sound barriers. Thanks to their layered design, they significantly reduce noise penetration, offering you a quieter, more peaceful indoor environment. Whether you live near a busy street, close to the French Quarter, or in a bustling residential area, these windows help block out unwanted sounds without compromising on natural light. Lower insurance premium. Because hurricane-resistant windows reduce the risk of storm-related damage, many insurance companies in Louisiana offer premium discounts to homeowners who install them. Check with your insurance provider to see if your policy qualifies for wind mitigation credits. While savings vary, many homeowners find this to be a strong financial incentive in favor of upgrading. Boosted property value and curb appeal. installing hurricane-resistant windows is a smart resale move. Potential buyers recognize the value of enhanced protection, energy efficiency, and modern aesthetics. It can set your home apart in the competitive New Orleans market, making it more attractive to buyers who want peace of mind from day one. A long-term investment in resilience. While the upfront cost of hurricane-resistant windows may be higher than traditional options, the long-term return is undeniable. You're investing in durability, safety, energy savings, and the ability to weather the next major storm with confidence. In New Orleans, where the beauty of living on the Gulf Coast comes with inevitable weather risks, hurricane-resistant windows are more than a luxury. They're a necessity that protects your loved ones and your lifestyle.